Hi, Arav.
Hello.
Okay. Am I audible now? Audible to you?
Oh,
You are
I can't hear you.
you are muted. Am I audible to you? You just carry out this headphone once. Maybe it will work. Just me remove your headphone. Is this working now? Audible, not audible.
Um,
Hello.
Audible?
Yes.
Oh, very good. So today we'll finally wind up this quadratic equation. So today will be the last class, you're right? Before vacation.
Yes. Yes.
So for how many days you are going for the vacation?
For 10 days.
10 days. Okay. Continue schools, right? You said that on 16th your school will be open, correct?
Yes.
Fine. Let me share my screen to you. Do you have any doubt till now in any questions? Because as I seen that you are facing a problem while solving the questions containing roots, right?
Yes.
That I know that you are facing problem while containing this, solving these questions. So today we will solve this question now here. Okay, all three different methods of containing only the question related to roots only. And if you have any doubt, just ask me. And after that, quadratic equation will complete. Okay, from my end.
Yes.
From your end, you have to solve more and more questions. If you have in doubt for the future also, once you're in your class also, once you'll get the whole syllabus or the sheet you are talking about. So
Yes.
once we will get that, then we will go through once again one class of the quadratic equation again. Okay.
Yes.
Today I'm taking quadratic equation again because I don't want to restart the new chapters because uh, whenever you will back from the vacation, then again you will forget it. So
Yes.
the complete class will like rest for you. Okay.
Okay.
So shall we start the solving a new questions like this quadratic equation related to this roots containing roots question?
Yes.
Okay. These opposite direction. Sorry. Okay, write down the question and solve it in your copy page paper, like whatever. The question is root 3x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 it's equals to 0 using quadratic equation formula. Find roots. Find roots. First, second, nature 2. I'm asking nature again and again. I will ask in every question so that you will remember the conditions that d greater than 0, d equals to 0, and d should be less than 0. Okay, we'll have the three
Yes.
conditions, right? So once you will solve the questions, just let me know the nature also and the whatever the roots you will get. And try to solve fast.
Okay.
Taking more time. Try to resolve fast. Increase your speed. Just write down the formula uh, at the corner of your page and just try to
Yes.
apply that. That's it. No need to try use whenever you will solve in
But
your examination, your test, then you have to solve, write the what is A, what is B, what is C. Okay.
yes.
As you know, by seeing this equation, you already know what is A, what is B, and what is C, right?
Yes.
So in each and every question, no need to write that values. Just
Do
write down
I
the formula. Yes.
solve the roots first and like the nature of roots and then the quadratic
How?
equation?
Okay, just let me know how you will find the nature of the roots.
Um,
What you will
root
for the
b
nature of the
square
roots, what you will know. Yes, root
minus 4ac
AC.
upon 2a.
Only this you have to find. Whenever you will
Yes.
get this value, then you have to find what is its nature, right? And
Yes.
then if you want to find roots for the next step, just add that minus b plus minus root by 2a.
Okay.
Yes, just first you have to find in the first step you have to find this value and then get nature of the roots and then put on the complete formula because this is already find out. Okay, and then just put it this value and this value and calculate it. Getting me what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
If you have doubt, I will solve it again for you.
Okay.
One
I
any
got
one question. Okay, you got it.
I got minus 10 plus minus root 4 upon 6.
Wait, I've been giving you 8 root 3 when the question number. Yes, the answer is what you are getting.
My minus 10 plus minus root 4 upon 6.
So root 4 is what?
2.
Yes, so just simplify the value. Root 4 is 2. It means you are getting minus 10 plus minus 2 upon 6.
6.
Okay, and if you will take two values, minus 10 plus 2 upon 6 and minus 10 minus 2 upon 6, right?
Yes.
Yes, because due to this sign plus minus, So this is minus
minus
8 upon
8,
3, sorry, 8 upon 6, and this is minus 12
12,
upon 6. So just cancel it out and simplify again. Cancel it out by 2. 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8,
8.
right? So
Yes,
this is 1. 2 threes are 6 and 2 six are
12.
this. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are this. Means 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. It means minus 12 minus 2 would be the answer for this, and for this is minus 4 upon mm,
3.
3. But but if you are getting this answer, then but the answer is different. Just check it once again. Maybe you are wrong somewhere else. See, by seeing this only, I can say you are wrong because this is 2a, right? Formula is 2a and a is root 3.
Oh,
So I believe it's not 6. It's only 2 root
I,
3,
I wrote
right?
3 accidentally.
Yes. So this small mistake we generally done, right? We generally do this type of small mistakes. We forgot somewhere try to sign also in place of plus. Instead of plus we write negative. We forgot roots. We do not we just want to don't want to simplify the answers. Just uh, be careful while solving.
Yes.
Okay, so let me know the correct answer, and then and try to solve all questions. Giving you more questions, 4 or 5 questions. Try to solve fast with this formula, and then we will solve the 5 more questions with that two different process, the completing square, and then so mm, just speed up. Yes, stuck somewhere else.
Um, no, once.
Square root x.
I got minus 10 plus minus root 4 upon 2 root 3. So root 4 is 2. Um,
This much, right? Now simplify.
yes.
So what are the common terms in all three that you will cancel it out?
Um, they are multiple of 2.
Yes. So now 2,
And
this is 10 is 2 into 5, right?
yes.
So we can cancel it out 2, 2 and 2 from numerator and denominator both. So
Yes.
what will be left? Minus 5 plus minus 1 upon root 3, right?
Yes.
Clear? So now this would be the answer with the two different values. The one is 5 plus 1 by 3 and minus 5 minus 1 upon root 3. Root 3. So Once you will solve this value, you will get negative
4.
4 upon root 3. And once you will solve this value, you will get minus of minus plus minus 6 upon root 3, right? If you still want to solve
Yes.
this value, you can write this 3 into 2, right? 6, correct? And here it is 3, root 3. So once you will cancel this root 3 and this 3, we left with 1 times root 3, right? So the answer would be 2 root 3. Clear or not?
Yes.
Once we can solve this up, then we will left with minus 2 root 3, this much. So this is one answer and this is second one. Clear?
Yes.
You are you clear with this step?
Yes.
Write down the second question. Try to solve it fast. And what is the nature of the roots? If you are getting this,
4. Um,
the first one.
yes.
Yes. So what the nature is? Real and unequal, right?
Yes.
This is equal with the two equal values, and this is no real
No real.
values.
Yes.
Why you're taking so you are taking time, a long time. You have to just put the values in the formula.
Um,
Yes, just speed up yourself. Once that's why I'm trying to solving, given you also the more questions. So once you will solve more and more question, the practice you will do practice also, and your speed will be increased, right? That's why I already shared you many questions so that you will boost up and increase your speed. The motto is
yes.
that also because uh, this would be like a question of like 1 or 2 minutes maximum, right? So you are already learned all the steps. Very good that you are learning also and you are solving correctly also. Now you have to just speed yourself, speed up, boost up.
Yes.
Okay.
I got 5 plus minus root 1 upon 2 into 2 root 3
You know, 5 plus
plus
minus
root 1.
root 1 is what? 1.
Yes.
Root 1 is what? 1, right?
Yes.
And then
2 into 2 root 3.
2 into 2 root 3. It means 4 root 3,
Yes.
right? So once you will solve this value, 5 plus 1 by 4 root 3, and another value is 5 minus 1, 4 root 3. Now you have to simplify both. Simplify this 5 plus 1, 6. 6 upon 4 root 3. 5 minus 1, 4 by 4.
4
4 by 4 root 3. It means 4 by 4 would be cancelled. Answer would be 1 by
root.
root 3.
Yes.
Yes. And for this, we can cancel it out by 2. 2 twos are 4. and 2 threes are 6, right?
Yes.
Cancel. It now become 3 by 2 root 3. And once you will cancel it, root 3, left with 1 times root 3. So the answer is root 3 by 2. Clear? Not clear?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
you have to simplify it.
Yes.
It's very good. How to solve it? So what is the nature? You are getting root 1.
Um,
Root 1 is equals to 1.
Real and unequal roots.
Yes, because we are getting two unequal roots, right?
Yes.
You are solving correctly, but just you have to simplify the value. Now solve it, simplify it, then let me know the answer. If you are stuck, I will help you. Done.
Yes, almost. I got -5 plus minus
Sorry,
root.
नीचे रख दो. Arav, sorry, it was urgent. Yes, tell me, what is the answer of the third question?
Um, -5 plus minus root
Minus minus 5, yes. Plus minus
root 121.
4AC. Yes, root 121. 121, right?
Yes.
Okay, now
Um, to 8 by root 3.
2a, which is 2 root
4,
8.
2.
Yes, 4 root 3, right?
Yes.
Very good. Now, do you know the root of 1 to 1? That's why I
11.
asked you to, yes, just solve it. You already know this is 11. So minus 5 plus minus 11 upon 8 root 3. 5 plus 11, 8 root 3, and minus 5 minus 11, 8 root 3. This would be the answer,
Um,
which is
6 upon 8 root 3 and minus 16.
correct. Now cancel it
Yes.
out. Are you able to cancel it anything in this? 8
Yes.
1 8, 8 and 16, right?
Yes.
1 times
2
and 2
upon 1.
times.
Yeah.
So it becomes 2 upon root 3.
Yes.
Yes. And here also with 2,
Yes.
2,
3
3
and
and
4.
2, 4. Yes. And this root 3 would be also cancel it out
Oh,
with 3.
yes.
So 3 and 3, it becomes 3, root 3. So the answer would be root 3 upon 4.
Yes.
And another answer is this, right? Clear or not? Just simplify it and then give me the answer. Clear?
Ye- Yes.
Okay, next question. Question number 4. Now simplify and then give me answer. No, up to this step, I will not accept. Solve it. Question number, yes, 4. Have you written the question?
Yes.
Write down the next question also in your copy or page, whatever you're using, so that I will write the next question. It is 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2.
Yes. So,
Mm-hmm.
for question 3, I got uh, -2 upon root 2 and 5 upon root 2.
-2.
Upon root 2.
So are you able to cancel it out or not? Are you able to cancel anything in this? This and this?
Um, I
No.
don't know.
You already know 2 is 2 equals to root 2 into root 2. We can write, right?
Yes,
And by root 2 you already given in the answer. So can we cancel 1 root 2, 1 root 2?
yes,
So answer is minus root 2.
yeah,
Here. This is your answer. This is your answer you are getting, right?
yes.
You are getting uh, -2 upon root 2, right?
And 5 upon root 2.
The another is the next answer is correct. Now you have to simplify this also, right? This one. This is correct. You are getting.
Yes,
You have to simplify this also. You know this once we can cancel it out, right, and it will left with 1 root 2.
yes,
So answer the second answer is minus root 2. The first is this and second is this. These two are the answers. Okay, clear now?
yes, yes.
Very good. Now next question. Have you written that?
Um,
No. No?
no,
Okay, write it down. This question. 3x square, 2 root 6x plus 2.
okay.
Very easy. So by completing square method, I will provide the question. Done?
Yes.
Answer?
Um, 2 root 6 plus minus root 0 upon 6.
Simplify it and let me know the correct answer. The simplified answer.
Is it root 6 plus minus root 0 upon 3?
So, so plus minus root 0. So just ignore this and this would be your answer. So just try to solve this and simplify this. 0, the value of 0 is anything. Is that? No, right? 2 plus 0.
Yes.
Can you write this? 2 plus 0 by 2. Can you write
No.
this? No need to use this, right? Nothing. No, no meaning.
So root 6 by 3.
Root 6 upon 3. Root 6 upon 3 or root 6 upon root 3?
Um,
Mm-hmm.
I think 3.
Let me check. Answer root 6 upon 3. No, wrong. What was the question? What was the
Um,
question?
3x square minus 2
3x square minus
2 root 6.
2 root 6
Um,
x plus 2, right?
yes.
This was the question. Question number 14. I have given you 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2. Very good. So minus b plus minus, which is already 0, right? You solved it by 2a. 2a. Okay. This is 0. 4 AC. So 2, 2 you have cancelled it out. And root 6 we can write root 3. Okay, fine, fine. I got it. Root 3 into root 2. We can write root 6 in simplification way. This is also correct. And what is the nature of this question? This equation?
Um, 0. So
D is
equal
equals to 0.
roots.
So we will have two equal roots, right?
Yes.
Two equal roots. So what is your answer? You are getting this, correct?
Yes.
So whenever we will solve this 6, we can write 3 into root 3 into root 2,
Yes.
and the denominator would be root 3 into root 3, 3. Cancel it out. So answer become root 2 upon 3. Clear? Now
Yes.
you are also correct. You're also correct. Your answer is also correct. Up to this, yes, this is the answer, the correct answer you are getting. But if you want to simplify the answer, the simplified answer would once we know this is the multiple of both are the multiple of each other, right? So something would be cancel it out. We already know this. So we can write 6 as multiple of 3 into 2,
Yes.
right? And there is a root in this. So what I'm doing this, I'm giving roots to both individual. Okay,
Yes.
thus value would be similar to 6 root 6, and the numerator, so denominator would be root 3 into root 3. That would
Yes.
be 3, right? Now we can cancel it out 1 root 3 to the numerator, from the numerator and from the denominator.
Yes.
So the left, we left with this, right? Root 3 upon root 2 upon root 3. So we can write 2 by 3 to complete root. I have given as
Yes.
in single roots to both, and this is to individual. Clear? So this would be the
Yes.
answer. Done?
Yes.
So are you comfortable while solving this root question
Yes.
somehow? Very good. Now try to solve these questions by completing square method. Completing square method. Do you know the steps? What is the steps?
Um,
Mm-hmm. First, we have to separate the x part, right?
yes.
Then x
Then
square term, then coefficient free,
1.
right? We have to make x square coefficient should be 1.
Yes.
And then the coefficient of x would be, uh,
Divided
now we
by
have,
2. I
yeah,
think.
divided by 2. X by whatever the number would be divided by 2. And then it would, we have to square this number.
Yes.
And this number would be, we have to add to the LHS and
Both
to the
sides.
RHS. Correct.
Yes.
Now solve it.
How do I make x square coefficient 1?
You have to divide this, divide the terms by 4. 4, 4, 4. So C will become 3 by 4. And then this is cancel it out. This one would be cancelled and this one would be cancelled. Once you will divide it by 4. See, whenever you will get the coefficient, what this step means, what we have to make this coefficient free. It means coefficient should be 1. So whenever the coefficient of x square would be any number, you have to divide that would be the same, then only it will become 1, right? Suppose this would be a root 2 here, suppose. So we have to divide complete equation with the root 2. That
Yes.
then only it will be once it will be cancel it out with whenever you will divide with the same number, then only it will be cancelled, right? And it
Yes.
become 1 here. It will become 1 here. The coefficient would be like we can say coefficient free or coefficient is 1. Whenever suppose it this would be like 5x square, okay, and you have to cancel this 5, you have to cancel this 5. When it will be cancelled it out, when we will divide it this number by 5, right? Then only we can divide
Yes.
5 and 5. 5 ones are 5, correct? So the we have in all question, this type of question, whenever you have to follow this second step, you have to divide with the same number, then only it will be cancelled it out. Correct? And
Yes.
we have to once we are dividing the term, then we have to divide by all three terms. 4, 4, 4, 4. Because the equation is 0 here. So what we are doing imaginary, that we are dividing to this also. Then this would be equal. This would be automatically cancel and the value should be equal to this. Getting me what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
So just ignore this and follow the steps. Not ignore, just the question is this. Clear now, not clear?
Yes. Clear.
Yes. So here I'm doing with you what you are doing in the first step. It's 4x square plus 4 root 3x. It's equals to minus 3, right?
Yes.
Correct. Now what you are doing, that in second step, dividing by 4, you have to write the steps or in your mind also. What we are doing, dividing by 4 to LHS and to RHS, correct?
Yes.
To the left hand side and to the right hand side. So what would be the answer? Whenever you will divide it to the left hand side and to the right hand side both, it would be cancel it out. It would be cancel it out, right? So the equation would be same. That's why we are doing the
Yes.
same dividing or multiplying or adding or subtracting to the both side. So there will be no change in the value. So once you will divide it, it become x square plus 4. Once you will divide by this and this, once
Yes.
individually, so 4 would be cancelled. The next step is root 3x is equals
Yes.
to minus 3 upon 4, right? Now
Yes.
next step, root 3 upon 2 and whole square. This would be, you have to add and subtract to the both side. Clear,
Um.
not clear? Root 3 divided by 2. The
Yes.
coefficient of x divided by 2, right? So what I have done, I have written root 3 divided by 2, and then the next step we have to square this. So I have squared, and then put the value x square plus root 3x plus root 3 by 2 whole square is equals to minus 3 upon 4 plus root 3 upon 2 whole square. Clear? Not clear?
Yes. Clear.
Sure?
Um. How did you get like two when dividing?
This one.
Yes.
This step I am following. The coefficient of x divided by 2. The
Um.
coefficient of x and divided by 2. And the next step, what are the three steps? First, that we have to separate the x term is equals to the
Yes.
coefficient term, right? This is the first one. What is the second step said? We have to
Um.
make a x square with the coefficient free term, right?
One. Yeah. Free.
Right. So what we will do in this step, that we have to divide with the same number, right?
Yes.
Now third step,
Um.
the coefficient of x, whatever the coefficient of x here, suppose this is p, so we have to do p by 2.
Yes.
This is the step, right?
Yes.
And the fourth step, in fourth step, what it is saying that we have to square this number, and whatever this value we have to add to the both side. This one, the fourth step one. Not clear? This would become
Yes.
a,
Um.
and we have to add or subtract to the both side.
Yes. Clear.
Yeah, very good. So what we have done in this, up to this clear? Up to this
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
Now see what is the formula? Formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So here we can say this is a square, this is b square, and we have to we want 2, right?
Yes.
For this, because we are having this a also, and once what we will do, just multiply and divide by 2 and 2. Now we are getting this 2a and b. This is b, right? This is b square, this is b. So
Yes.
what we have done in this step, we are just multiplying and dividing by 2 to this
Yes.
term, correct? To fulfill this equation, to fulfill this formula, to follow this
Yes.
formula, correct? So what would be the answer? B a plus
Um.
b, a plus b whole square. A is what?
A. Root three.
A is what?
One.
A, according to
X
this
square.
formula, what is a?
X square.
Only x. Only x, right? No,
Yes.
only x, right? Clear not?
Yes.
So according to this formula, a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, right? This is the formula. So what is the b here?
Um, Root 3 upon 2.
2, 3 upon 2. So this is the complete formula on the left hand side. Now we have to solve the value for the right hand side. So this is minus 4 upon root 3 upon 4 plus whenever you will solve this square means what? Root 3 whole square by 2 whole square, correct? So root 3 whole square, the value of root 3 whole square, it means 3. I'm solving
Yes.
this one. So it becomes 3 by 4, clear?
Yes.
So plus 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4, it will be cancelled, 0. Plus 1 minus 1, 0.
Yes.
So this would be 0. So it will left with what? This value. This becomes 0. It will left with this value. So x is equals to plus minus root 3 upon 2 with the answer. Clear?
Yes.
Clear? Not clear?
Yes. Clean.
I'm not helping you in this question. And the question number 2. This is the question. Write it down the question and let me know what you are writing in the page. Steps. Steps. What steps you are following? Before going to your vacation, just revise the class. Whatever I have sent you on WhatsApp, the steps, just try to solve 1 or 2 questions from each.
Okay.
I've written the question.
Yes.
Now let me know the steps you are following. What is the question? Okay, I try to get the question number. It's
Uh,
2 root 2 x square minus 3x minus 2 root 2, right?
yes.
Now steps.
So I divide them by root 2.
The first step, I forgot it. This is negative, the sign with the negative. Once we are moved to the to
Yes.
this side, the sign will be convert to the positive, right? Correct. Now
Yes.
you have to what divide by root 2, right? For the coefficient
Yes.
free, and so that it will become x square minus 3 root 2 x is equals to 2. Clear?
Yes.
Because root 2 cancel in this and root 2 cancel in this.
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Now the next step,
Um,
do in the
we
rough.
divide coefficient of x by 2.
Very good. So what is the coefficient of x? Is
3 by root 2.
2. Now we have to
Yes.
divide this by 2. It means become this,
Yes.
right? Now we have to square this number,
Yes.
right? So this has become a. So this we have
Yes.
to add This we have to add to the both side, right?
Yes.
So the next step would be x square minus 3 root 2x plus 3 by 2 root 2 is equals to 2 plus 3 by 2 root 2. Clear?
Yes.
Done? Clear up to this?
Yes.
Now just you have to, maybe the formula would be a plus b whole square, or the formula would be a minus b whole square. So by seeing the negative sign on the question, so you already know this formula would match. By seeing this term, you uh, you already know this. We have to follow this formula, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab.
Yes.
Okay, so suppose this is your b square. This is your b square. What is b? 2
Root
2
2.
root 2 by
Yes.
3, which is b, and a
Yes.
is already you have your the a
X.
and b is already given. Now a is, you have already a, you have already b. Now you have to fulfill this. Okay, you have to match this with 2. So what we will do, we have to multiply it and divide by 2 to the both.
Yes.
So once the number, this term 3 by root 2x, once we will multiply it by 2 to the numerator and to the denominator, there will be no change in the equation, right? Once we will cancel it out. Once we will cancel it out, then the number will again same.
Yes.
Correct. So what we are doing, we have to multiply and divide by 2. Imaginary, what we have to do this imaginary. So this is b, this is our b,
Yes.
this is our a, and this is 2. So formula is 2ab,
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
3 into 2 into 5, or 5 into 3 into 2. The value would be same,
Yes.
correct? 3 twos
13.
are 6. Yeah, 3 twos are 6, and 6 fives are 5 threes are, and 3 twos are. The value would be same whenever we will
Yes.
multiply a into b or b into a. The answer would be same.
Same.
Yes. So no, because why I'm doing this here, because this is 2BA, not 2AP. That's why I'm telling you this. So this is equal to
Yes.
this, correct?
Yes.
So the what would be the formula? What would be the formula? With the negative sign,
Yes.
square, and now you have to write it down A and B. What is A here?
X.
What is B here?
3 upon 2 root 2.
Very good. This is the answer. Now you have to
Yes.
solve this term. 2 plus whole square, 3 whole square, which is 9, upon
Yes.
2 root 2 whole square. It means 2 whole square 4, and root 2 whole square 2. Okay. So it is
Yes.
8. 4 twos are 8. So LCM is 8. So we have to multiply 2 with 8. 8 twos are 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9 is 25.
24. Yeah. 25.
25. 25, 5 upon 8. Okay. And
Yes.
now here it is x minus 3 2 root 2. Once we are squaring both sides, square root of both sides, the cancel it out, it will comes in this root.
Yes.
What we are doing, we are squaring both sides, right? Square root, apply square root to the both side. Okay.
Yes.
So it will be cancelled out, and on the RHS side it will add with the roots. Clear up to here? So
Yes.
what is the root 25?
5.
5. And root 4, root 8?
Um,
Yes, no.
no.
Yes, no.
Yes.
Clear? We can
Yes.
write 8 in 4 into 2, and root 4 is
Yes.
2. Root 4 is 2, and left with root 2.
Yes.
4 will carry out. We can move out
Yes.
from root. So once we can move out from root 2, we can write 4 in root 4 into root 2, this, right? To this. So root 4 is 2 and root 2 root 2. Clear?
Yes.
So this is 2 root 2. X is equals to minus, sorry, plus 3 by 2 root 2. Clear?
Yes.
We are moving to this side. So once you will solve this value, it becomes 4 plus 5 plus 3, which is 8. 8 by 2 root 2.
Yes.
X is equals to, once we're LCM, the both term are same. So the LCM is same, 2 root 2. So there is no need to multiply it with 5 also, and no need to multiply it with 3 also. So it becomes 8 by 2 root 2.
Yes.
We can cancel it out. 2 ones are
Um,
2, 2 fours are 8.
yes.
And if you want to next simplify, it will become 4 like 2 into 2 by root 2. Left with 2. It means 2
Yes.
root 2 would be the answer.
Yes.
Clear, not clear?
Yes. Clean.
So this much. So this way we have to solve this type of question. Are you friendly with, are you comfortable now
Yes.
with the roots question? After this class, just try to solve the first method. What was the first method? Apart from
Factorizing.
yes, factorization. So
Yes.
select any two questions and solve it by the factorization method, because you were very much clear the factorization method, right? We
Yes.
have already solved many of them. So just solve it and one or two more questions from these two. Okay, after this class.
Okay. Yeah.
If you have doubt, just ask me or WhatsApp me.
Okay.
Okay. And
Yes.
now there will be end of this quadratic equation. So once you will
Okay.
back from the vacation, we will just take 4 to 5 minutes or 10 minutes or quick revision of the quadratic equation, and then we'll start the next chapter.
Okay.
Fine?
Yes.
Okay. If you have any doubt, just after that you will be going to the vacation, right? Then in between, if you have doubt, today itself I'm talking about,
Yeah.
if you will solve the question, ask me on the WhatsApp if you have any doubt. Okay?
Okay.
Because I have sent you the sheets, the number of many questions on the sheets in WhatsApp. Just pick up
Yeah.
any one
Yes.
or two questions from each and solve it by your own, so that you will
Okay. Yeah.
revise the rules. Okay?
Okay. Yes.
Very good. Shall we close the class now?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, good
Bye.
day. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye.
Have a good vacation. Happy journey. Enjoy. Bye bye.